Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart is going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So over the weekend, kind of going when I did it on it being the last analysis, talked about, was the price going to be able to kind of get any sort of separation above this level right here at 4,000? And not only did it not get separation, it actually fell back below that area. So on that note, that's kind of out of play right now as far as, leading to anything bigger. So I'm just going to get that line out of there. It's kind of served its purpose. And over the weekend, I'm not calling the weekend a disaster or anything like that, but the price was not able to stay above that area. So it is showing slight signs of weakness. But from the big picture of things and the key dynamic right now is that the price is still building these higher lows, and as long as this area kind of right there holds, that's going to be a key thing, which also leads to the first dynamic as far as questions are concerned. So let's just use that 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 20 hours from now. Question number one that you need to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price currently at relative to 39.20? If you are answering the question that the price is now down below 39.20, again, not saying that everything's ruined or anything, but you got to use a little gut instincts. If the price is, just slightly below it, okay, that's not great. Now, if you're answering the question, the price all the way down here, including down below 38.50, which is that green line, well, that would be telling you that all of a sudden the bears have really taken control. I doubt that's going to be the case, but nonetheless, like I said, that's how you can keep this video relevant for as long as possible, is just do a quick inventory check of that 39.20 mark. But if the price is up above there, then, that implies that the price is completely maintaining these stair steps that I've just pointed out here. So if those stair steps are still in play, then, again, going under the assumption you're watching this 20 hours from now. So if 20 hours from now, these stair steps here are still fully intact, then that's a good sign that the bulls are, not necessarily getting ready to make a huge move, but they're holding on to control of the chart as best as possible. Now, on the flip side, if you're answering the question that the price is up above 39.20, the next question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to the 40.80 mark, which is that level up there? Again, then again, it is Bitcoin, so I suppose you never know. I'd be shocked if over the next 24 hours the price actually gets all the way back above there. Like I said, when you have movements like this that can happen within 4-hour periods, I'd never say never, I guess, is the moral of the story there. But if you're answering the question that the price is up above there, that would just be telling you that the bulls are having themselves a very nice period of time. So we'll see how this one continues to play out. Both in the grand scheme of things, nothing really happened over the weekend. The price is, has continued to stay within the overall channel, top of the channel being 40.80, bottom of the channel being 38.50. So we'll see how this one plays out on the week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.